What's up, everybody? It's your girl Pretty Percent. That's spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y with a percent sign. Well, guys, I bought a new wig. I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you guys for beginners how to do it. And let's just see. Before we get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be up to date whenever I drop a new video. Who, her? Oh, this is Elizabeth. She's my mannequin. She's going to be here with us while I install my new wig that I bought. I purchased it from Amazon. It came in this bag. You know I'm always buying hair from Amazon because I like to try things out on Amazon. I know you like Amazon too. Now this hair is called Ayniss. Ayniss.
Oh, you nasty.
It's spelled A-Y-N-I-S. So if I'm pronouncing it wrong, oh well. But it's from the wig store. It's Brazilian hair. I actually bought it before, but I bought it in a 16-inch, and I love it. This one is a 24-inch. Let me show you what it all came with. Okay. Came with 2 caps, and I will be using one of these caps in this video. You guys, I'm so nervous. This is gonna be my first time installing a lace front wig. Most of the times I buy the headband wigs, and you can look at that in some of my old videos that I have on my page. I'll drop a description down at the bottom. All right, pulling the hair out. Ooh, girl. Long. Look at that. Okay, go ahead and get the paper out of it. I'll show you guys it comes with this. I like to keep this also, put it over my wigs when I put it on my mannequin head, Elizabeth. All right, so I see it's already pre-plucked and they only have the lace right here in the front. So I don't have to worry about cutting it on the sides. It just came in the front. So this shouldn't be hard. Okay. It came with some combs in here. You have one at the bottom. You have one in the middle. I really don't know what the one in the middle is for because I never used that. Then you have 2 on the side. This is cute. All right, we're gonna be installing this. Let's see. I'm gonna place it down, take off this hair. I'll be right back. So my hair is braided down. You know, you just wanna have it flat. Can you see it when I'm doing all like this? Let me turn around. Okay, it's braided down and everything's braided in the front. One of these caps I will be using. Let me get something out of here. And I already know the things that I'll need. I use edge control, edges, hicks. I'm gonna use a brush and some foundation powder. I have my scissors. Got to be glue. I'm gonna try this for the first time, you guys. This isn't the one like that girl did. Oops. Hopefully this one doesn't take out my edges. This is called Blast and Freeze Spray for blast and hold. So it's supposed to just hold it down. And I'm only cutting the front. If you saw on my lace, it's only showing right here in the front and not on the side. So it should be a quick and easy installation. gonna go ahead and put it on right here in the middle. Oh, this thing tight. That's how I like it. It comes with some little elastic little strings that you can do. So with the comb, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. They have some wigs that have the lace that go all the way on the side, so I don't really understand why it came only in the front, but we're gonna try it out anyway. Got it in the back. It's cute. I got some clips that I'll use to move the hair back. I'm laughing because Elizabeth is right here with my other wig. You see? Hey, that's cute too. Sometimes you want to go straight, sometimes you want to go curly. And today I'm going curly. All right, you guys, this is my first time. Now, this is what it said. That you're supposed to, when you cut the lace, you kind of zigzag with it, right? Sometimes they don't cut it when it's on their forehead right here. They usually put the wig on the mannequin, but I'm gonna do it up here because I can see better. The hair up under it, it's like the baby hairs that came with the lace front, but I pulled out my own baby hairs, so yeah. Let's get this thing started. Pre-plucked it more. Now, what I love about this hair, it feels so good, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, this hair can be transformed. They say that you could flat iron it. It's human hair, human Brazilian hair, 24-inch. And I see it's 24 too when you make it longer. Oh, you can't see. But yeah, you can flat iron it, definitely. And I will be leaving a review on this hair. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back and spray the Got To Be Freeze glue. Oh, let me say it right. Got To Be glue, blasting freeze spray. Everybody's using this, so like I said, it's right here. I'm doing it in the front side. All on my hair. It better not pull my hair out either. Looking crazy with these bands all the way down to our forehead. We don't wear it like that for real. You're supposed to put your hair over it. And you can see that in some of my old videos that I have when I put on my headband wigs. Okay? Because if you're subscribed, you have seen my videos already. All right, I'm going to keep this on for like 10 minutes. See if it stays down for me. And I'll be back. I'm just trying it out. I can get it professionally installed by somebody, but I'm gonna try it out myself first. If I'm really gonna wear it out like this. Oh, it's on there in the front too. But this is how I would wear it. Just finger it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's very lightweight, like I said before. I'm gonna try to turn around so you can see how it looks in the back. $360. Okay. Well, there you have it. Seemed like an easy install, right? Just putting on a wig. Huh. I like it. Leave me a comment below. Let me know, do you like it? I have other ways that I could wear this. I'll show that in another video. Stay tuned. Make sure you like and share my video. And I hope you're subscribed. Until next time, signing out with Pretty%. And Elizabeth.
Drink from my sunshine, sip from